Oh, 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 what you doing? You okay? No, be nice. Hey, be nice. Oo, yan ang exercise niya. Ayan. Every day. Oh, oh, you did push up. Good job. Push up. Okay, game. Game. Whoa. Hello, Des. Welcome. Welcome here, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. Whoa. Ah, pee. Ihi daw siya. Diyos ko. No looking. Ihi muna daw siya. Marunong na siyang umihi. Ayan guys. Diyos me. Ayan, linis. You done? Okay. Okay. I got you.
Dad, you ready?
No, I can't get it to work, but I'll try this. I got it. The rope thing ain't gonna work because I can't tie knots.
Be careful with your sister. How come?
No, I'm not. You're not gonna rub me off. I just need to grab something real quick. Just stop rubbing your.
Oh, bye, Jade.
No! I'm a nice little girl. Because there's always bugs down there in my eyes.
What's that?
Bugs in my eyes.
Where?
Does it go so fast? Yeah!
What are you doing?
Putting goggles on.
Really?
Hey, Tony!
You have to wipe it in your clothes then.
Tony, Dad? Tony? Wait, Tony?
No, I don't know what to tell you.
We're still waiting, Jilana. Wait.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work.
Jilana, stop that, doing that. Hello, Maricar. Welcome here.
Wait.
Joanna, I have a task for you. Never mind.
Let me see this. You just wait till we go to the store.
Who is it? My toy! No!
Why you bug her? Why you need it?
I didn't get my helmet.
Why it went there?
I jumped over it.
Okay, fix her thingy then. Why you have to jump when you get your helmet?
It's a trampoline. I didn't have to. I didn't jump.
Just fix it. Then go back and hey,
Don't hit me.
go back and fix it.
Where do I have to go back and fix
Just line it up. Okay, no more. Let her. Hey,
it? Don't push me.
okay, go now. Why don't you just
Stop.
No.
The goggles are everywhere.
Jelana, try it. This is all I can do.
Jilana, go.
But it's just tiny.
I don't think it's gonna work.
It's too tiny, Dad.
Not even taller.
Yeah.
What it mean? We bean. All the way there. All the way there. Yeah, all the way there, Dad.
All the way up.
Hey, focus. Drive safe. Focus.
Baby dog.
Jilana, why you do that?
I need that.
You be nice, anak.
Oh no, I mean not that. I mean need that. A date.
You're still not gonna like this, but
That way, me all the way, okay?
I don't know.